Event on this day, 2nd August. Iraq invaded Kuwait on this day in 1990, and Saddam Hussein's subsequent refusal to withdraw his troops sparked the Persian Gulf War, in which an international force led by the United States quickly defeated Iraq. In 2016, chemist Ahmed H. Zewail, who in 1999 became the first Egyptian and the first Arab to win a Nobel Prize in a science category, chemistry, died at age 70. 338 BC Macedonian army led by Philip II defeats combined forces of Athens and Thebes in the Battle of Chaeronea, securing Macedonian hegemony in Greece and the Aegean. 1934, Adolf Hitler, the Chancellor of Germany, became the country's Führer, President and Chancellor, today after German President Paul von Hindenburg died. National Coloring Book Day. Celebrated every year on 2nd August, National Coloring Book Day brings attention to the fact that in recent times coloring books have gotten some serious, grown-up attention lately. This day helps us relive our childhood by going back to memories and coloring some coloring books. The Government of India transferred from the East India Company to the British Crown. It was on 2nd August 1858 that the Government of India transferred from the East India Company to the British Crown under the Government of India Act 1858. This was an act of the British Parliament that transferred the government and territories of the East India Company to the British Crown. Chenab Bridge is the highest rail bridge in the world. Not all of India's famous monuments are religious. The jaw-dropping bridge spanning the Chenab River in Jammu is 1,178 feet above the water. If you're afraid of heights, you might want to skip this one. Rajasthan has a temple of rats. The animal wonders of India continue. Although rats might not be the first species you think of to worship, there is a temple in Rajasthan dedicated to rats. Thousands of rats call the temple home, making it one of the country's most unique attractions. Many pilgrims visit the temple every year on their own religious journeys, so make sure to be respectful of local customs when visiting. Home of a mysterious skeleton lake. Located in the Himalayas at about 16,470 feet, the glacial lake Rupkund has become famous for the human skeletons found in the lake and surrounding areas. It is thought that the skeletons are the remains of people from the 9th century who perished during a severe hailstorm. India was the first country to mine diamonds. From the 4th century BC for around 1,000 years, India was the only source of diamonds in the world. The original diamonds were found in the Krishna River Delta. In the 18th century, more diamond deposits were discovered in Brazil, and soon after, in South Africa, adding to the market of diamonds. Fun facts about engineering, science, and technology. 220 million tons of old computers and other technological hardware are trashed in the United States each year. A diamond will not dissolve in acid. The only thing that can destroy it is intense heat. According to Moore's law, microchips double in power every 18 to 24 months. Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Although the famous first flight at Kitty Hawk took place on 17 December 1903, the secretive Wright brothers did not demonstrate the technology to the broader public until 8 August 1908. As of early 2009, there have been 113 space shuttle flights since the program began in 1981. Bill Clinton's inauguration in January 1997 was the first to be webcast. Chuck Yeager blasted through the sound barrier at Edwards Air Force Base in 1947.